Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lom So Hapoh Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun ready go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Nongtrei jongga Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited hakasi thoding jongga tayo ka khatwei Tarik Nohprah arjar arpo kila pelong biang da jing Sangeh Treikam ka basipor ban penpau ya jing persya halor jing bempat siu jongga sorkar jela ya ka Tulop jong benai risau nai wing ban Nohprah Hapoh ka Hapoh Tarik wat hadin ban nakaliang Nongtrei kila dep aipor ya ka sorkar dangsien Kinong elam jongga kenhon Nongtrei gane ketenat penmi boarding haga jela kila penpauru ya jing sosi ke baktang halor ke jing kloy jongga sorkar ban siu pendep shwa ya karam kasya syagi company dakaba pensertok pat ya Nongtrei bat penslem ban siu ya ketulop ke jongki hagane kesngi hadien bala pelong ya jing yalang pat ba ha pelau jongga ne ke slem Treikam Nongtrei jongga ne ketenat kila shim ru da ke wai karai bakin pelong da ke jing Sangeh Treikam lada ke sorkar kam siu dep ya ketulop ke basa ke jong ubenai risau bat ubenai naiwing Hapoh ka khatsan Tarik ubenai Nohprah arajar arpo.
And now the question is why we are not getting our salary, and not only salary, 45% of area ROP 2015, area on electricity allowance, and also DE areas are still lying pending.
The denying salary to the employees is a crime. According to the Indian Wage Act, any organization with employees of more than 10,000 in strength, disbursement of salary must be done before the 10th of every month. Therefore, by denying the salary of the employees of Meecl for the last 2 months, in spite of the fact that money was available, and by infusing hardship in the lives of the employees, the management has committed the crime. Why is the management compelled to do so? The management has chosen to sacrifice the interests of the employees. The management has chosen to deny the employees its rights to basic needs, and it has turned a blind eye in spite of understanding the fact that employees are going through very hard times. Responsible citizen of the state, number one. Secondly, as employees of this organization, don't we have the right to raise a voice against this policy?
Yes! We need all to be united for release of, for getting of our salary monthly and due time. We should need our salary, all our benefits.
The management and the MBA government, please reply to our answer. We are here today for our basic right, not for our luxurious items or anything. Dear MDA government, give us our daily bread. Your adamant attitude makes you a shameful act. That in whose history the employees of the MDCL need to leave their place of working and go out to the street to ask for daily bread. During the discussion, as I have seen in the program, we may adopt this as one of our agitation program in a peaceful means and in a democratic ways. If considered necessary, further discussion shall be held in order to fulfill the slogan, no pay, no work.
Let us take a resolution today that henceforth, first month, they have to pay our salary. Yes. Lada day bakam yo weiru, nyen milang boro. Hoyen. Nyen milang boro hoj. Kem nyi boro. Sawajar employees. Nilong ready ban mi. Go ki Nongtrei. Hato kadai ka por ngi bangin ngap. Master Chief Minister and 12 of your cabinet colleagues, LPP government, UDP, you have been mandated to govern us, to provide good governance. But you have not been mandated to sell us, to sell the assets of the state. It is God gives assets. If you have the guts, place it in your manifesto in the coming election for privatization of Meecl. If the government is banned on privatization, I declare here, it will have to do through my dead body. It will have to do through my dead body. This is a challenge. I am challenging it today. If you have the guts, Master Power Minister, do it and see the result. Do it and see the result.
Hakijing sisangi lai kijing thoas ka management ba klade ban siu no ya ka tulop jang Oktober shwa ka santrek jong ni ubnai bat ya ka tulop jang ka November shwa ul shpotrek bat hak tu kijing tho ro ngila ong ba lada gim yo ya ka tulop kumta gin lum ka wai ka rally ka jingal yelam yelang lang hang ni jong ki Meecl employees baro ki Nongtrei jong ka Meecl hak khat wai trek tekat kum kutu kijing tho bangila ice management bat namar maka khlem lem burom ya kutu kijing tho jongi mentak sngi la lum hangne bat plai I ba na kleng state jong jilla bro hi kila wan hangne bat ngila don kene rally te hak ne rally ngila sngo ya kita kijing thang kijongi bat kijing skusi jongi halor kijing le kene management hakaba ka khlem siu ya kene tulap jongi la arbanai menta dah kaju por ru ngila sngo ru ya kijing persyak jongi ban privatize lane ban dino ya kene ka Meecl syagiri ushimat kunta hakane kesngi ngila rai ba lada ka government lada ka management lada kamu ayengi ka tulop jong kini kibnai bladep Hapoh khasan Tarik katang mur khasan Tarik ngindan be ya ka pen down strike
khasan Tarik ladem ya tulop kandan ka pen down strike nginum trai ngin one office khandre ba khanyo Tarik kandan ka jingsha jinget ke jingsha tngan daki isi member jong ka korma bat manu ba ko ban yadan lang hakar phui Tarik jongu December arjar Hapoh kinong toy jongi kinum let ban atani complaint duty lada thot kani gatai nadu 6 baje mestep hadu 7 baje janmit lada ka tulap jong December pade jong December arjar Hapoh ngimyo shwai ka 6 Tarik jong January kandan ka mass casual leave daki non factory workers but agaju resmi ngiliat procession station secretariat but min ai resolution syaga state government haka khat Tarik jong January lade klam no orlong gono ru ta hakani ka por ngin sedang ka non cooperation movement but lade kundan issue halor kata lade ka management but ka government ki sap jan tingin ya haka arfo Tarik jong January arjar Hapoh daga total shutdown bat hangta lada hapdeng kaniga jingyaki lada syakem lada syabat unu Nongtrei juga Meecl baro lang ki Nongtrei kinyami lang baki kin court arrest bat ya kani ka signature campaign ke bangila shem halor kani ka rai ngila pas bangi adopt da kani General Assembly matas ka
Labu ekapor baya kapi ke jong penai Oktober pakai manajemen pensiu Haswa ke Tarik Desember ya kapi ke jong November Haswa Shipotrik ke jong Desember hanli kata klaim urlang bat kumjuru kapi jong Desember bat kini gibnai shikmat bakin siu Shipotrik Shipotrik man gibnai hari kata kamu urlang kamu skongsi kalong ba manajemen bakloy bensiu shwa yakilun revenue ko jongi niyo average nduna yakan repo haru nyoko crore shibnai but kajing siu yaki tulop but pensions kalong Hapoh ka 8 crore tengi larai panang ni syakman yo une tapi kajong bunai Oktober but November makin siu syua kan ek kharsan trik ada ngimyo syua kharsan trik kemut kharsan trik ngila announce bangin lek ya ka pen down strike